Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get verified on TikTok. So let's get started. First open your TikTok app. Now we should change our account. Open main profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner here. Open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. Proceed manage account. Here select switch to business account. It's very important. Tap on next in very bottom. Then scroll down a little bit and find personal blog. Here is it. Select personal blog and then tap on next at the very bottom. Alright, just tap on skip. We should make a screenshot. Just make a screenshot of your profile. I show you my screenshot, you check it. As you can see, like me. Okay. Next step, open again TikTok app. Again, go to profile, open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then from pop-up menu select settings and privacy. Scroll down and find report a problem. Proceed to report a problem. Tap on this icon at the top right corner. Again, tap on create new feedback here at the top right corner. Alright, tap here and tell us your feedback. Now we should write something like that. Dear TikTok, I have a very face value and I am a social content creator. It would be very nice if I can get a blue badge on TikTok that would emphasize much on my audience. Thanks. Enter this text, then tap on this picture. Then select your screenshot of your profile. Of course, tap on done here and tap on report. When you write something, you can tap on report and then wait 24 hours and TikTok will be answered to your request. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.